Hello, and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is dose audits. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to get all the good content we're putting out. Check out the status bar below for our agenda. Stick around to the end for the bonus questions. Our topic, dose audits, is covered by 1345, sections 7.5.2 and 7.5.7. There is also a standalone ISO standard, 11737, Sterilization of Healthcare Products, Radiation, Part 2, Establishing the Sterilization Dose. Dose audits, in 5 words. Sterilization tests at reduced dose. Dose audits are part of the monitoring program that is needed for any radiation sterilization process. If you remember, sterilization is the process of exposing a product to a sterilant for an extended period of time. Dose audits must be conducted every 3 months to monitor the bioburden on the medical device and show that the sterilization process can handle that bioburden. The dose audit itself consists of taking a small sampling of product and running it through a shortened sterilization cycle. It's important to note that during a normal sterilization cycle, we go from 1 million colony-forming units down to 0. And then we double the time from that point. This is how we get a sterility assurance level. I will discuss sterility assurance level, or SAL, more in a separate video. For our dose audit program itself, we will take our product, our small sample, and we will run it through 58.3% of our sterilization cycle. For radiation products, normally this is exposure time. So it'll be exposed to, say, cobalt-60, and we will have it exposed for 58.3% of the time of a normal process. This is the abbreviated process, and this is what we call a dose audit. We will then take the product that went through that abbreviated sterilization process and we will sterility test it. The accept or fail criteria for the sterility test is outlined in ISO 11137-1. So how do I know this is working? Well, first, my dose audit program is established and is maintained. Second, my dose audits are done every 3 months for each product family. Third, my dose audit program meets the requirements of 11137-1. And then finally, any dose audit failures, they are investigated thoroughly and the right actions are taken. Well, how do I know it's not working? Well, my dose audit program is not formally established, documented, and maintained. Second, my dose audit program doesn't meet the requirements of 11137. Third, products are not tested on the right frequency, so I'm not testing my product families every 3 months. And then finally, I have dose audit failures and I either ignore them or I don't do a thorough investigation with them. And now for those 3 bonus questions. Who manages our dose audit program? Second, have we had any dose audit failures in the last 2 years? If yes, can I get a list of them? And then finally, how do we monitor and then escalate any overdue dose audits that we may have? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.